Good evening, hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel, where we take time to learn the simple and basic computer skills that you need for everyday life. So today we are going to cover something else. It's also a Google application offered by Google, and this is Google Drive. I know some of you have heard of it before. So Google Drive simply is a cloud-based storage software. It helps you store your files virtually on a cloud. Maybe you want to back up. It helps you in backing up of your files. Maybe you have some files that you fear losing when you maybe change the device, when you lose your device. This helps you to back up your storage on a cloud storage. So Google assigns you some storage so for backing up some of your files and folders that you feel that need backing up. So today that's what we're going to be looking at. We're going to be going through how to use Google Drive and understanding how it works. By this end of this video, you would have learned how to use Google Chrome, and you'll no longer live in worry of losing your files and folders maybe when you lose your device. So without any other further ado, let's get going with this video. But don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe to this channel. So let's dive right into it. First of all, as we said, all these applications of Google require internet connection. So make sure you have a stable internet connection, and then you just go into your web browser like Google Chrome over here. Then the browser opens up just like that. So yeah, we come to these four as we were looking for Google Apps previously, and this time instead of we shall look for Google Drive, which is the second icon over here. It will take us to our drive. You see, displayed over here is my Google Drive, and as you can see, you are assigning some storage, some cloud storage of about 15 GB. That helps you to backing up of some of your files from that you want to have a copy that's not only locally on your machine, just in case you feel that you may lose your machine or something, just as a security in case anything happens. So as you can see, these are some of the files I have backed up on my Google Drive, so and I can easily access them. So you can see this is the home, shows me my suggested files, gives me some other suggested folders, maybe the ones that I frequently check on, and the different other options on the screen. As you can see that we want to look through. You have my drive over here. It shows you the folders and files that are uploaded to my file. We have computers that are synced with this drive. Shared with me has the folders or files that someone has shared to me or sent to me to send to my drive. Recent shows the files maybe I've recently opened when I came to my Google Drive. Starred, these are ones that I put special interest on. Right now I don't have any that starred. Then a recycle bin has those things that I've deleted from my Google Drive. So let's go back to our home. So first of all, someone would want to know, how do I back up information on my Google Drive? That means, how do I add folders and files to my Google Drive? It's not very difficult. You just come to new, and you see it will give you new options. You can either create a folder on your drive where you want to upload all your different files, or you can get a file directly from your local machine or your local storage and then upload it directly to your Google Drive. You can upload a folder, you can upload a file, you can upload different things. But let's say you wanted to upload a file. Let's say I wanted to upload a file from my storage. I click File, Upload. Let's say go to my desktop. Say desktop, and say I want to go to this, and then say I want to upload this. I can either click it and then I drag it. You see, it will allow me to upload it to the drive when I do that, and it will be uploaded. Or I can just do this and then I click open. It will also come and upload this to my drive. Once upload is done, it will show you that upload has been successful. But see, my upload is still in progress. So once it takes its time, some of these things that I've added may be a little bit heavy, so depending on how heavy it is, that's how long it will take to be uploaded to your drive. But once it's done uploading to your drive, it will show up in these on these files that are present in your file in your Google Drive. What if I wanted to upload the whole folder? The same process. You'll just click folder, and then you go and select the folder from its location in your local storage, and then just drag it, or just click the button upload, and it will be uploaded. Then what if I wanted to create a folder where I organize my different files on my Google Drive in a logical way? I also come here on new, and then I select new folder. Then I give a title for my folder, so it help me not to know that this is where to find this. Let's say I call this study notes. So then I create my new folder. It will show me study notes over here. So when I go back to my home page here, let's say there are some of these independent files that I want to include into my folder that I just created of study notes. I just come over here, maybe it's Grey's Anatomy that I want to transfer. Go to more actions, because you can see if this thing has been sent to me and I want to download it from the Google Drive to my local machine, it gives me an option of downloading. Or I want to open it from here, it will give me the different options in which I can use to open this file. If I want to rename it, I want to change its name, I can also change its name, but I don't want to do that. Just showing you the different possible features that you can make. If you want to share this, you can share this to someone else. You can copy this link and send it to someone else, and once they tap it, it can bring you to this specific file in your Google Drive. Now what I'm looking for here is organize. But before organize, you can also see if you no longer want it here, you can have it deleted by moving it to the bin. But now what if I wanted to, remember we said we wanted to move this file to our folder that we've studied notes, so we've just created. So we'll just click over and organize. Under organize is move, and you select move, and it will show you where do you want to move this file, in which folder do you want to move this file to. I said move it to this folder that I have just created of study notes, and I click move, and after a short time it will move it to study folder. So when I come to my drive and I will go to study notes, I should be able to see Grey's Anatomy that I've moved from here to there. So you can see now with that we have learned how to upload our different folders and files onto our Google Drive. We learned how to delete any files that we no longer want on our Google Drive. We learned how to organize them in folders and create new folders and organize our files on our Google Drive so we can easily find them. And we have learned how to use the different features of modifying the names and on the different features of Google Drive that we have gone through. I hope you found this video resourceful, and now I hope you'll be able to back up your data and you won't be able to worry that you will lose it. So thank you for following up to the end. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Bye.